welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope you all are well. In today's video, we shall learn about compound sentences and especially about the 4 different structures of compound sentences, which means how we can make some compelling compound sentences in various ways. So if this is something that interests you, be with me to the end of the video, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing to it because here you will get all the stuff related to your elementary classes. This video is equally beneficial for you if you are a parent, teacher, or student because here you will learn how you can elevate your writing standard and can write impressive sentences rather than making simple, boring sentences. So without any further ado, let's dive in. First of all, let's find out what are compound sentences and then we will learn the different ways with which we can make them. Okay? If two independent clauses, or in simple words, complete sentences, if two complete sentences are joined by a coordinate conjunction, FANBOYS, okay, a semicolon, semicolon means this thing, a conjunctive adverb that you will see in the later slides, but let me just tell you like however, moreover, furthermore, they are conjunctive adverbs, or a dash, dash is something like this, we call it a compound sentence. If two independent clauses or complete sentences are joined by a coordinate conjunction, a semicolon, a conjunctive adverb, or a dash, we will call it a compound sentence. Why do we make compound sentences? First of all, to level up our writing. Okay. Secondly, to avoid repetition or to show the connection between two ideas, it's better to make a single sentence rather than using two small short sentences. As well as they also help our reader to understand our ideas better. Okay, so let's see the different structures of compound sentences. In this video, I'm telling you 4 different structures that can be used to make compound sentences. Some of them are usual, we use them frequently. Some of them are rare, and there are 1 or 2 more that I have not included in the video because they are not really commonly used. Okay, so let's begin with the first structure of compound sentence. To make a compound sentence, you need to have an independent clause, which means a stand-alone sentence. A sentence that can stand alone is your independent clause. So you need to have a stand-alone sentence plus fanboys and then an independent clause or a complete sentence. This is the most used structure of compound sentences in English writing. Second structure is an independent clause. Right after the independent clause, a semicolon. This is called a semicolon. And then another independent clause, which means a complete sentence again. Third structure that is here, we have an independent clause, semicolon, a conjunctive adverb with a comma, and another independent clause. Now, this is an advanced structure of compound sentences, but you will find it in books and in English literature. Furthermore, we have another structure that you may find in books, independent clause at the beginning, a dash in the middle, and then another independent clause. This is also a less common structure of compound sentence. Hope this structure part is clear. Now it's time to see some examples. I'll again explain this thing with the examples. Okay. The first examples that we are going to check out are of compound sentences using FANBOYS or coordinate conjunctions. So here you go. The structure is written here. Complete sentence, FANBOYS, complete sentence. A comma is missing here, so put a comma. The first fanboy is for. sentence is I didn't go hiking for I'm scared of heights and mountains. I didn't go hiking is a complete thought, a complete sentence. I'm scared of heights and mountain, another complete sentence or independent clause. And they both are joined with a fanboy, that is for. The comma is also here before the conjunction. Second example is the sun was so bright, it was scorching hot at the beach. Now we have two pieces of information, so we are joining it with the conjunction and. Next we have nor. The weather forecast didn't predict rain, nor did it mention the possibility of thunderstorms. As I told you that when you use nor, so structure changes a bit. So this one is a complete sentence. The weather forecast didn't predict rain. And to make this sentence a complete sentence, we just need to change the sentence a bit. It didn't mention the possibility of thunderstorm. It will be the standalone sentence, but with nor, we just shuffle it a bit. Nor did it mention the possibility of thunderstorm. The other fanboys, but let's see the sentence. He wanted to come with us. He already committed to Sam. Two contrasting ideas connecting with but. This is a compound sentence. We can buy her a watch, complete sentence. We can give her a bracelet, another complete sentence. Connected with or, fanboy, compound sentence. I love my job. It's so tiring. Complete sentence, connected with yet, compound sentence. My boss rebuked me in front of everyone, complete sentence. I resigned immediately, complete sentence, joined with so. My boss rebuked me in front of everyone, so I resigned immediately. This is a compound sentence now, right? I hope you have got the idea of this. If you want to master compound sentences, you need to practice. So let's try writing some of the compound sentences in the comments box. Next are the examples of compound sentences using semicolon. Let's check them out. So the structure is right here. Independent clause or complete sentence at the beginning. Then you need a semicolon and another independent clause. I didn't go hiking, the same sentence that we use for. I didn't go hiking, semicolon. I'm scared of heights and mountains. Okay, this is how we can make a compound sentence. The sun was so bright, semicolon. It was scorching hot at the beach. Two similar ideas joined by a semicolon, compound sentence. I love my job, semicolon. It's amazing. Okay, so we are giving some more information about the first idea and we are connecting these two ideas with a semicolon rather than putting a full stop in the middle and making these two short sentences. Got it? Hope this helps. Let's find out some examples using conjunctive adverbs. The structure will be independent clause, semicolon, conjunctive adverbs, right after this a comma, and then another independent clause. Let's see the example. The sun was so bright, semicolon, therefore conjunctive adverb, comma, it was scorching hot at the beach. The sun was so bright, therefore it was scorching hot at the beach. Next sentence is the weather forecast didn't predict rain. Also, they didn't mention the possibility of thunderstorms. So this is how you will use conjunctive adverb to connect to independent sentences to make a single compound sentence. Third example is I went hiking. However, I'm scared of heights and mountains. Now here we have a contrast. I went hiking. I was scared of heights. So we are connecting these two independent clauses or complete sentences with a conjunctive adverb, however, And this is the way how we use it. Semicolon, conjunctive adverb, comma, rest of the sentence. I hope that this structure is also clear to you. Let's find out the last structure that I'm including in this video, which is using dashes to make compound sentences. So the structure says independent clause, dash, another independent clause. Example is, I love my job, complete sentence, a dash, it's amazing. I love my job, it's amazing. This is another way to write a compound sentence. She's not coming with us to the beach. She is hydrophobic. In this compound sentence, you can see that we have two different sentences, but they are complementing each other. So we are connecting them with a dash in between. This structure of compound sentences is not very common, but still you will find this in books in English literature. Another thing that I would like to mention here, I'm not giving any examples for that you can also find colons for writing compound sentences, independent clause, and a colon in between. But this is the most rare type of writing compound sentences. That's why I am not including this in this video. But I hope that whatever I have included in the video is clear to you, is makes sense to you. If yes, so please hit the like button. If haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.